As we look at the collection of DNA evidence, we know that we have to have unique tools for that process. So we open our CSI kit, we make sure that we're wearing the proper protective equipment, and then we pull out the specific tool for DNA evidence. It's found in the upper half of the kit in the lower right corner. You have 4 of the DNA swabs. And so when you trigger on that swab, it actually puts it on your controller and allows you to touch the tip to a surface and pull the trigger on the controller to establish that you've collected DNA in that spot. And so if you were to collect DNA evidence on blood, you would need another one. And so when you pick up your second DNA swab and pull the trigger on the surface, it again establishes a pickwick that says DNA evidence has been collected there. To find the lab results, you see that there's no evidence there, and there is victim evidence in this location here. And so this shows us how to control and acquire the DNA evidence.